Hi, my name is Keenan from T2A7. Today I'll be showing you my mini project for OOPG. So I've created a shopping cart and order summary. Welcome to Sweet Spot Merchandise Store. So I created a merchandise store for a bubble tea shop. So Sweet Spot is the name of the bubble tea shop, where you can buy shirts and items of your favorite drink. So items available. We have the shirts for $20, matcha shirt, best t-shirt, and got boba shirt, all for $20. Basically, each is for $20. And then keychains for $10. We got pink keychain, yellow keychain, face keychain, each costing $10. We got black cap, white cap, and brown cap for caps for $15. So each costs $15. So for example, if a customer wants maybe one matcha shirt and one yellow keychain, so one quantity for shirt, one for keychain, and if you don't want anything for caps, right, you have to put it 0. Yeah, so 1L. Remember, the remarks here is to input in your sizing and the name of the item that you want. So matcha shirt and one yellow keychain. Right, so once you're done, press this update button. So once it's updated, right, so you click on the image, right, of the shopping cart, and you'll be transported to web form 2. So web form 2 shows the checkout web form. So Sweet Spot merchandise checkout. So items added to the shopping cart. You got one shirt, one keychain, 0 caps. So one L size matcha shirt, one yellow keychain. Alright, so once you're happy, you can pay. Please pay $30. Thank you, and please come again soon. So if you want to make another purchase, right, you can go back. Maybe this time you want 0 shirts, maybe one keychain and one cap. Maybe face keychain and one brown cap. So you update, click on the shopping cart image, and there you go, items added to the shopping cart. 0 shirts, one keychain, one cap, one face keychain, and one brown cap. So you're happy with that, you can pay again. There you go, please pay $25. Thank you, and please come again soon. So keychain, it costs $10, and the caps cost $15. So altogether it's $25. Yes. Okay, so that's the basis of my project. So let me show you the program now. So before that, I want to show you my table. So I created a table and show the table data. So from class ID 2 onwards, right, is basically redundant information. I'm just trying out. So what matters is the first class ID. Yeah. So I created a str update string. So update new table, basically the table. Set quantity, shirt quantity equals to shirt text box of text. Keychain quantity equals to keychain text box of text. Cap quantity equals to cap text box dot text. Where class ID equals to I. I've initialized I and declared and initialized I as 1. So basically when class ID equals to 1. So every time when you input a new information into the text box, right, the class ID 1, that row, will be changed accordingly, updated accordingly. So I declare and initialize the new database, and I've executed non-query str update, so that should it will update the table. So I also created if remarks text box dot text is not, if you didn't input your information of the sizing and the name of the shirt that you want, so please insert a shirt name and size of the quantity of the shirt that you want. And then if shirt text box dot text is not, you didn't input in the information, please insert number of shirts, keychain, please insert the number of keychains, caps. If you now insert, please insert number of caps. So once all the information has been inputted, and then it will execute a select string. I've declared a select string, right? So select shirt quantity, keychain quantity, cap quantity from new table in the table. So once it's updated, the select string will take this shirt quantity, keychain quantity, and cap quantity. And then if a session, I also inputting session to transfer the information from web form 1 to web form 2. So it's session remarks. So this is the this is the remarks text box will be inputted into session remarks. Then I execute the reader of select string. So br.read session of the. I also created a session for total shirts. So it will take the shirt quantity, right, from the select string, and then input it inside here. I convert it to a string value, and then after I convert it to string value, I convert it into a integer value, integer.pass, and then put it to session to total shirts. So I've done the same for the keychain quantity, integer.pass to session of total keychains, and then integer.pass of the cap quantity, and then input it into the session of total caps. Yeah. So let's move on to web form 2. So web form 2 shows a. So once web form 2 loads, right, after you click the image of the shopping cart, and web form 2 loads. So label 2 is over here. Label 2 and label 3, label 4. So label 2.text will be session total number of shirts. So this is the one that I initialized in the web form 1. Talk to string. So you show the total number of shirts, total number of keychains, total number of caps that's added into the shopping cart. And then label 3 will show the session remarks text box. So basically it will show like what sizing, what's the name of the shirt that you want, or caps or whatsoever. And then after that, integer, I declare initialized integer shirt to be the session value, session total shirts, string value to integer, session total number of keychains of the string value to integer, and the total number of caps, string value to integer. So integer cost of shirts equals to shirt times $20 basically. Shirt is basically this variable here that I've already initialized. Cost of keychains is keychain times $10, number of keychains times $10, and cost of caps equals to caps, number of caps times $15. Then you find the total cost. You have cost of shirts plus cost of keychains plus cost of caps. This will give us the total cost. So label 4 is here, right? So label 4.text will be please pay $, total cost, thank you, and please come again soon. So yeah, that shown pretty much everything in my program, and also the response redirect of web form to web form 1 after I click the back button. So yeah, I guess I'm done. Thank you.